Hey guys, it's Peppercat here,
and Superstars.
and in this video, we are going to be showing you unused usernames. The first username is OctoberXX.
The second one is Apple Ginger.
The third one is Flisker.
The fourth one is Reef with 2 F's.
The fifth one is February with a 3 as the E.
The sixth one is X-Pearl.
This seventh one is kind of funny. You ain't got no crackers.
The eighth one is X-Acrylic.
The ninth username is kind of cute. It's Crinks.
The 10th one is Puff Pom Pup.
The 11th one is Asterade.
The 12th one is Digitalis.
The 13th username is Cleomes.
The 14th username is Salvia, but with a 1 as the L.
And the last username is Unicrons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Check out 15 more usernames on my channel.
And subscribe. Bye.